Hi, I'm Tony Duelter with Minnesota Egg in the Classroom, the Regional Curriculum Specialist in the center of the state. Why do I look like this? Well, I have bees at my house, and so I'm wearing my veil to tell you all about the teacher kit that we have that's all about bees. Also, right here, you can see I have a few frames from my beehive. The honeycomb is built out, and there's actually honey under the capped comb right there. The kit then that we have for teachers that is available is right here. And remember, Egg in the Classroom, to get this kit, you would contact us at mn.eggclassroom.org. We only have a couple kits for teachers, so if you're not able to get this, you can also find this lesson on our curriculum matrix. Now inside, you will find the amazing Honeybee lesson for grades K through 2, along with one of my favorite activities, which is the Bee Buzz activity. It's kind of like Cootie, if you ever played that, where kids roll a dice and they get to draw a bee. And they get to learn as they're drawing all of the parts of the bee's body. Along with the amazing Honeybee lesson, you will receive all of the materials that you need for that. Some of those things are the Bee Man book, which is awesome. Life and Time of the Honeybee. Some honey sticks for the students to sample honey. This honey is from Minnesota. And also the materials that you will need to do the activity where kids get to pollinate each other's flowers, and you'll read all about it in the lesson. If you want this lesson kit, go on our website again. That is right here, mn.eggclassroom.org. Find one of your regional specialists in the area and let us know that you'd like this kit. Thanks.